Oh, God, people, thanks for about to the Patwanews Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. We just want first of all big up all of the women them. You know, International Women's Day they gone a couple of days ago. We still represent the Patwanews Network in our pink and thing for the ladies them. So big up on yourself. Open the day go and good and them thing there. See me? Now, we're running our news in the people. Because we have a whole heap of something to talk about. You know, a whole heap of news are going on. A whole heap of things they out there to talk about. So we're running it right now, yeah? Now, first thing for the news in the people. The Minister of Finance come out what they and say Jamaica got print some new notes, you know. Some new bills are got print people. But you know, PNN will just give you the news, you know, we investigate. So we go up on social media, go investigate and hear what people are say. Everybody attack and say, boy, we never did no new bill. Why new bill are got print and how much is it got cost for all them thing there. And there are some people that say, certain people should have on the bill. Some people that say, why two people have on the bill them? Some people that say, why none have our own money and this day of women's rights, none if you have our own money, she's supposed to mix up with Sam Sharp. And then the biggest one now, the political pundit them and the political grandma and grandpa them will love follow politics. The one of them are say Eddie and Mike are not with the money together and a big disrespect. And the two of them are going to cuss every day, blah, 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 rate. But I think we don't miss the bigger picture now. PNN are going to make you know the bigger picture because somehow they miss it. When I realize say money now no use now. Anytime you see one new bill I got add in, that means say the money a dip and a slide and a fall back. That means say the money now no use. All if you do right now people are want $10,000 bill for print, you know, with Andrew and Porsche on it, you know. I know say I be a cousin and lavish I go and this up. But people, because we are PNN, as I say, we do investigative journalism. People will look and we go dig up this. Look on this. This don't look like say Jamaica they are scrappy after Canada. It look like say Jamaica they are scrappy after Canada because we bill look just like the Canada bill. We lie or we are lie. I don't lie we are tell. That's true we are tell man. It look like the Canada bill. Look like we they are scrappy. But anyway people, that don't really matter you know. All I want to tell them is be careful with the new bill them. Because them look like them are go shiny and slippery. Same with them slipping in your purse and your wallet and your pocket are the same with them are going to slip out and done. But the next thing I know people, the Minister of Finance in his speech say no new tax now got add on. I will never expect no new tax, Mr. Minister. You're that wicked and evil. Only with that wicked and evil if you add on new tax with all we are going. But then the minister go say, them not take off the gas tax. So you know, so we not get no break off of gas you know people. But then he say, well, like 2 billion or something like that supposed to put on for the Jamaican people and we are going to suffer most when the gas start reach up in our next string. But I want to know people, all the money they are going to divide up. Because you know we stay with money and everything there, you know. People forget the money, never really get the money yet, you know. So we are hope, say, we have hope against hope. So when them say, boy, the gas price gone up to the ceiling and a bust with next string, that the money they actually roll out and reach people's pocket. So you can help out the poor and the destitute and the people who are in a need. Mr. Minister, I beg. But next thing on the news right now, people, as we talk about gas price and them thing there. Of course, you don't know say Russia, I get lock off from every other country. Yeah, man, it's almost like somebody just goes and start lock off the water to go Russia. Yeah, man, they just squeeze them neck under them boot. So you don't know say because of that now. And because of the war, the gas price are going to go up. So Petrojam, as expected, say the gas price are going to go yassa. Yassa them say it are going to go people. But not that alone. Just pure stress. JPS. After come in pan the party, them say no. Gas price can't increase. And we not coming at the party too. A big party this, you know. So we have to in pan the party. We want to we increase too. After them increased every single week already. So people, just know say, you know, we have some rough days ahead, you know. But through the grace of God, we are going to make it through. Just to make you know what I go on, say what if an increase a come. Yeah, man. Next piece of news right now. As you know, you know, this week of school officially start back in person. Yeah man, Monday morning school start back in a person. I know all people una rejoice. Una happy man. All the people happy so they pitting them out the road again man. I know in the house and now the whole of food. And I done everything in the house and I stress you out. Biggest part. But the next thing you know people is that somehow you know Monday morning slap on in the head you know. Yeah, man, I never ready for it. Never ready for it. Because someone who love wake up late, you know. Yeah, man, the 2 year, of course. Sleep little later, man, you have to drop it in school and them thing there. What if you want to roll out Monday morning in a long piece of traffic? What if you want to reach work late? Yeah, man, I don't reach work late. I like me I tell? I don't like me I tell, man, I reach work late. So Tuesday morning, you know, make up in the mind, so now come out early and still in the traffic, don't. Only they still in the traffic, man, we know. But yeah, man, we're glad to say them go back to school, man, because all of them need the pressure and the stress out, you know. All of them, man. So we're glad to them go back to school, go and see them friend on a daily basis and them thing there. Them are learn and thing, you know. Yeah, man, we're glad for it, man. We're glad for it. Less stress for it, too. Next thing on the news, I know, people. You know, say Jamaica have bomb out here? Well, you know, say Jamaica have bomb out here? Eh? After we tell people, say we not enter no war with nobody because we not have no weapon of mass destruction. We not have no bomb and them thing there. You know, so them find a bomb, man, devil. While World War II bomb sit down under the ground, just a wait to get used. But me have a question. Where is the bomb them there? Where the rest of them there? Because them things are coming at once, you know. Them coming at sometimes 2s, sometimes 3s. Where the rest of the bomb them there? Government go find them. Me know how my grandparents them I go plow the farm and they pick and feel like they reach one yam. And when they look at one bomb them find. Me no want none of that. We don't want that. So we are begging you. Go find the bomb them, but don't make the rest of the country them know say we find no bomb. Right? If we don't find 10 of them, just hide them. We don't want them to because we not help nobody with no war. We not help nobody with no war. Just make JCF and JDF turn out and do them like a civilian something. You know, the like a civilian something they want to really disturb nobody. We don't want help no country. We no war. We not help no. We not have no bomb. Next thing on the news right now, people, we have like an entertainment news for you, know. But the one and two entertaining, you know. Because when I feel when I sing at them, him look like him love prison. Look like him love prison. Cause JAH, yeah man, JAH, look like him tabbed somebody last year and them charge him for manslaughter and some other something. So him go court one day and supposed to head back at court for the 22nd of March. People are Switzerland him there, you know. Switzerland and Jamaica. We don't know what happened, but we wish him all the best. You got the people in the country go stab somebody. Them not deal with things like Jamaica. Because you probably could have tabbed a man out there and give him a thing and then go about him business. And because your artist him say, boy, I'm not going to bring it up. But boy, may I tell you, you come out of prison, you have a good life ahead of you and them something and look like you have to go back to prison again. No, man. No, but look like say you want to release some new tune or something. You look for inspiration. Can me show a remix are coming up, people. Yeah, man. I love these prisoners. I love their lunches. I love doing time. Almost that. Next thing on the news right now, people. As you know, we have a new feature. It named Jamaica No One Real Place. Can't be one real place. Every time we see video like, damn yeah, we really believe that Jamaica No One Real Place. Watch out. Some people, after you see that video there, we almost realize that Jamaica no a real place. We see so much video on a daily basis so make we know that Jamaica no a real place. But also, that's not a real police. I'm a fake policeman, the brother just dress up like him, I'm a police officer. But then the question they out there, how much people can dress up like this and fool people to make them feel like say I'm a real police? Because all the people they think so I'm a real police officer this, you know. But yeah man, Jamaica no a real place. It's not a real place and them thing approve it. Thanks to far back people. Now we're in some sporting news. I'm making you know what's going on in the world of sports and everything. People are one thing I don't want to talk about today. The West Indies. None of the man them. We talk about the man them. At times we talk about the woman them now. You know, sometimes we talk about West Indies and we talk about how bad them are going and how much them wibble wobble and them thing and them not good. People, the woman them not answer, you know. We feel like so we need to give the women team a different name. One different name because them fall in the same bracket and them thing. And sometimes they go on better than the man. They go on better than the man because people, International World Cup are going, you know. ICC Women's World Cup are going. And the woman, them are win up them match, you know. Them beat New Zealand, you know, people. And them beat England, the defending champion, and people. I don't feel like the woman them are going with things. At time when you give the woman them more credit. Give them more credit when they deserve and let go the man them. Let go the sponsorship of the man them. Give them more money and them things because the woman them are going better. I same thing with football. The woman them tend to do better. Sunshine girl them are going have a big for sponsorship and them thing there. Deal with the woman them better because them are going good. Big up West Indies. More so no continue and win the whole of match them and win the cup and them thing there. Show up the man them. Make them know so them need for the better. And them can do better. But big up the woman them, man. The woman them are going good. 2 wins out of 2 matches so far. I look forward to the rest of win them and them thing there. But yeah, people, the news that, you know, Potter news that people. Yeah, man, I hate that for the news. But we just want to talk to the subscriber them again. People, them just watch and not subscribe. We not bad up now, you know. And a bad up thing this and a Karachi and them thing. We not bad up. But if you don't feel like so, you like the news and you like the network and you like Dextazlab and them thing there. Subscribe, man. People on YouTube and the people on Facebook. You share the video, man. And the people on IG. Share the thing, man. Make people know what are going on Pattern News Network and them thing, man. And make them know that things are going on over here. So. And if you know we're supposed to be sponsors and them thing, they sponsor a video, man. Sponsor a video, man. We're going to find the reach, you know. Where I get the reach, I make people know what are going on with the brand and them things. So if you know want a little sponsorship deal, we are buzz, no? But yeah, man, we just want to thank the people and we support the network, support the channel, we comment, we like, we subscribe, we share, we laugh on them things, man. Thank you, no people. Thank you, no man. You don't know, say, a Pattern News Network is the baddest news network on the planet. Big up on yourself. You don't know.